Have you been feeling constantly tired, struggling with brain fog, or noticing more hair falling out than usual? What if I told you that a simple mineral deficiency could be the reason behind these issues, and many more? Zinc is one of the most important nutrients for your body, yet millions of people don't get enough of it. In fact, over 2 billion people worldwide are zinc deficient, often without realizing it. This vital mineral plays a crucial role in immune function, brain health, hormone balance, and even your skin and hair health. But because our bodies don't store zinc, we need a steady intake from food or supplements. In today's video, we'll uncover the top signs of zinc deficiency, the hidden causes that might be blocking your absorption, and, most importantly, how to naturally boost your zinc levels to regain your energy, strengthen your immunity, and feel your best. Let's dive in. 1. Constant colds and infections. Do you find yourself catching colds frequently or struggling to recover from infections? If so, a zinc deficiency could be to blame. Zinc is a powerful immune booster that helps your body produce and activate white blood cells, the frontline defenders against viruses, bacteria, and other harmful invaders. Without enough zinc, your immune response weakens, making you more susceptible to frequent colds, respiratory infections, and even slow wound healing. One of zinc's key roles is supporting the thymus gland, which produces T cells, special immune cells that fight infections. If you're constantly battling sniffles, sore throats, or lingering illnesses, your immune system might not be functioning at full strength due to low zinc levels. Zinc also helps build glutathione, the body's master antioxidant, which reduces inflammation and supports long-term immunity. 2. Thinning hair and bald spots. Have you noticed your hair becoming thinner, weaker, or even falling out in patches? Zinc deficiency could be the hidden culprit. Zinc plays a vital role in hair growth by supporting the production of keratin and collagen, two essential proteins that strengthen hair strands and keep them healthy. It also helps regulate hormones, including DHT, dihydrotestosterone, which is linked to hair loss when out of balance. Without enough zinc, the hair follicles weaken, leading to excessive shedding, slow regrowth, and even bald spots. A deficiency can also cause an oily or flaky scalp, as zinc is needed to regulate sebum production, the natural oil that keeps your scalp hydrated. This type of hair loss is often reversible once zinc levels are restored. If you're experiencing significant hair loss, it may be time to check your diet and consider boosting your zinc intake. 3. White spots on your nails. Have you ever noticed small white spots or streaks on your fingernails? While many people assume these marks are caused by minor injuries, they can actually be a sign of zinc deficiency. Your nails are made of keratin, a protein that relies on zinc for proper formation. When your body doesn't have enough zinc, it disrupts nail growth, leading to white spots, ridges, or brittle nails. Since nails take about 3 to 6 months to fully grow out, these spots may indicate a zinc deficiency from weeks or even months ago. One common cause of low zinc is a diet high in refined carbohydrates and sugar, which depletes zinc levels over time. Other causes include gut issues that impair absorption, like IBS or Crohn's disease. 4. Loss of taste or smell. Have you ever taken a bite of your favorite meal only to realize it tastes bland, or noticed that familiar scents don't seem as strong as they used to be? Zinc is crucial for maintaining your taste buds and olfactory receptors, which help detect flavors and scents. It plays a key role in transmitting signals from your tongue and nose to your brain, allowing you to fully experience taste and smell. Without enough zinc, these sensory functions weaken, making food taste dull and causing a reduced ability to detect odors. A zinc deficiency often becomes noticeable after an illness, such as a cold, flu, or COVID-19. This happens because the body uses up its zinc stores to support the immune system, leaving less available for sensory function. If you find yourself reaching for extra salt or spices to enhance flavors, or if certain foods just don't taste the same, your body may be signaling a need for more zinc. Increasing your intake through zinc-rich foods like oysters, pumpkin seeds, and beef may help restore your senses and overall well-being. 5. Feeling depressed or anxious. Do you often feel down, unmotivated, or overwhelmed with anxiety for no clear reason? Your brain chemistry might be out of balance due to zinc deficiency. Zinc is essential for producing neurotransmitters like dopamine and serotonin, which regulate mood, emotions, and mental clarity. Without enough zinc, your brain struggles to create these feel-good chemicals, leading to persistent sadness, anxiety, and even mood disorders like depression. Studies have found that people with clinical depression often have low zinc levels, and supplementing with zinc may help reduce symptoms and improve emotional stability. Zinc is also a powerful antioxidant that helps control inflammation in the brain. Chronic inflammation has been linked to conditions like anxiety, brain fog, and irritability, making zinc an essential nutrient for mental well-being. 6. Low testosterone, for men. Are you experiencing low energy, reduced muscle strength, or a lack of motivation? If so, a zinc deficiency could be affecting your testosterone levels. Testosterone is the primary male hormone, responsible for maintaining muscle mass, bone density, libido, and overall vitality. Zinc plays a key role in its production, helping the body synthesize and regulate testosterone while preventing its conversion into estrogen or DHT, a hormone linked to hair loss and prostate issues. Low zinc levels can lead to symptoms of testosterone deficiency, including fatigue, decreased libido, mood swings, and even shrinking testicles, hypogonadism. In addition, zinc deficiency can impair sperm production, reducing fertility in men. 7. Vision problems, especially at night. Do you struggle to see clearly in dim lighting or notice that your night vision is getting worse? If so, your body may be lacking zinc, a crucial nutrient for eye health. Zinc plays a vital role in transporting vitamin A from your liver to your retinas, where it helps produce rhodopsin, a pigment essential for seeing in low-light conditions. Without enough zinc, your eyes struggle to adjust to darkness, making it harder to see at night or in dimly lit areas. A zinc deficiency can also increase the risk of age-related macular degeneration, AMD, cataracts, and overall vision deterioration. People with low zinc levels may experience blurry vision, dry eyes, or increased sensitivity to light. Since the body doesn't store zinc efficiently, it's important to get enough through your diet. 8. Slow healing wounds and skin issues. Have you noticed that cuts, scrapes, or bruises take much longer to heal than they used to? Do you struggle with acne, eczema, or dry, irritated skin? These could be signs of zinc deficiency. Zinc is essential for wound healing and skin repair because it helps form collagen, the protein that keeps your skin strong and flexible. Without enough zinc, your body struggles to generate new skin cells, leading to slow healing wounds, frequent skin infections, and increased scarring. Zinc also plays a key role in reducing inflammation and regulating oil production, which is why a deficiency can contribute to acne breakouts, dermatitis, and even psoriasis. If your skin appears dry, cracked, or overly sensitive, your body may be lacking this essential mineral. 9. Digestive problems and stomach ulcers. Do you suffer from bloating, indigestion, acid reflux, or stomach pain? Have you ever experienced stomach or mouth ulcers that take a long time to heal? These could be signs of a zinc deficiency affecting your digestive system. Zinc is crucial for maintaining the lining of your stomach and intestines, helping to prevent leaky gut syndrome and damage from stomach acid. Without enough zinc, the protective barrier in your digestive tract weakens, making you more susceptible to ulcers, inflammation, and bacterial infections like H. pylori, a common cause of stomach ulcers. A zinc deficiency can also disrupt enzyme production, making it harder for your body to break down food and absorb nutrients. This can lead to poor digestion, frequent diarrhea, or constipation. People with conditions like IBS, Crohn's disease, or acid reflux are often found to have low zinc levels. 10. Shortness of breath and fatigue. Do you feel constantly tired or find yourself out of breath after simple activities like climbing stairs or walking short distances? These could be signs of a zinc deficiency affecting your body's ability to transport oxygen and produce energy efficiently. Zinc plays a crucial role in supporting red blood cell function and maintaining healthy circulation. Without enough zinc, your body struggles to carry oxygen efficiently, leading to fatigue, muscle weakness, and breathlessness even with light physical activity. Zinc also helps produce antioxidants like glutathione, which protect your cells from damage and reduce oxidative stress, a key factor in chronic fatigue. Low zinc levels can also impact thyroid function, leading to slower metabolism, brain fog, and constant exhaustion. If you frequently feel worn out, sluggish, or unable to catch your breath, your body may be lacking this essential mineral. What causes zinc deficiency? Zinc deficiency is more common than you might think, and several factors can deplete your body's zinc levels without you realizing it. One major cause is poor diet. If you consume too many processed foods, refined sugars, or grains, your body struggles to absorb zinc properly. Phytates, found in wheat, rice, and legumes, bind to zinc and prevent your intestines from absorbing it efficiently. Another common cause is digestive issues. Conditions like IBS, Crohn's disease, leaky gut syndrome, and acid reflux can reduce your ability to absorb zinc from food. People who have had gastric bypass surgery or suffer from chronic diarrhea are especially at risk. Alcohol consumption can also block zinc absorption and increase its loss through urine. Similarly, stress and chronic infections can drain your zinc levels as your body uses more of it to support immune function. Finally, certain medications, like acid blockers, diuretics, and birth control pills, can interfere with zinc absorption. How to boost your zinc levels naturally? If you're experiencing signs of zinc deficiency, the good news is that you can naturally increase your zinc levels through diet and lifestyle changes. The most effective way is by eating zinc-rich foods regularly. Some of the best sources include oysters, grass-fed beef, lamb, pumpkin seeds, hemp seeds, chickpeas, lentils, and cashews. Dark chocolate and mushrooms also provide small amounts of zinc. To improve absorption, avoid consuming too many processed grains and legumes, as they contain phytates, which block zinc uptake. If you eat foods like beans or nuts, soak and sprout them to reduce phytate content and enhance mineral absorption. Apple cider vinegar can also improve zinc absorption by increasing stomach acid, which is essential for breaking down and utilizing minerals. Simply mix 1 tablespoon in a glass of water before meals. If needed, consider a zinc supplement, such as zinc glycinate or picolinate, but don't exceed 30 mg daily without medical advice. Pairing zinc with copper ensures proper balance, as too much zinc can deplete copper levels. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss my latest health tips. Stay healthy, and I'll see you in the next video.